Hello everyone, I am colorist and I created the Coloring Palette Vibes Advanced Color by Number coloring books. You can get them on Amazon. I listed the link in the description. It is also listed on my website, www.coloringpalettevibes.com. Today, I'm excited to be using one of my favorite budget watercolor marker sets with you. These markers have some of the best vibrant and fluid colors, excellent blending capabilities, and precise control. What I absolutely love about them is how perfectly the pen colors match the palette colors of my books. It makes choosing the best color for my palette super easy. Today, I will be coloring out of page 11 of my Coloring Palette Vibes Colorfully Wild Color by Number book. Let's dive in and create some beautiful artwork together. In this video, as part of our journey on my channel to maintain a mindful vibe, we will discuss the importance and impact of acts of kindness, which is the inspiration behind my newest book on Amazon, Doodle Your Way into Kindness, which also has a Kindle version. Acts of kindness may sometimes feel like they are lost in the shuffle, but each of us has the capability to make a positive difference in our daily lives. There are some ways we can all practice kindness. Consider the power of a compliment. A few sincere words can brighten someone's day and remind them of their worth. Next time you see a friend, a family member, or even a stranger, take a moment to offer a genuine compliment. Another small gesture is holding the door open for someone or sending a quick "I was thinking of you" text. And how about sharing little notes of kindness? Leaving uplifting messages in public spaces or for those we care about. We can also offer physical support. If you see someone struggling with their groceries, lend a hand, or offering your seat to someone who might need it more. Or how about the next time you're at a drive-thru? Consider paying for the order of the person behind you. It's a simple act that can create a chain reaction of generosity. And if you have a talent for cooking or baking, why not treat a neighbor, family member, or a friend? Encouragement plays a vital role in kindness as well. If someone is facing a challenging situation, reach out with words of support. Let them know you believe in them. And let's not forget about patience. In moments of stress, taking a deep breath and practicing patience with others can transform our interactions and uplift those around us. Kindness doesn't have to be grand or elaborate. It exists in small actions and moments of connection that we all embrace. Let's commit to incorporating these easy acts of kindness into our daily lives and watch how they brighten our paths and those of others around us. Thanks everyone who made it this far into the video. I'm going to let you guys relax and see the final product. Let me know in the comments what acts of kindness you implement in your daily life. guys for the support, and remember to enjoy the satisfaction of coloring. It's a vibe.